the quality of the voice is more smoother. Making a video and putting an effort to it, it's such a good feeling for me. Any camera device will do just to capture the moments. Speaking of device, today is about making your GoPro Hero 5 and Hero 6 to be a vlogging device. GoPro is one of the best point and shoot cameras in the market right now. Why? Because it shoots 4K and it can do time lapse. It's waterproof and it's so tiny. Like you can put in your pocket like this and go everywhere you want. And all my videos is shoot in this tiny device. Yeah, all my videos. I noticed something. The quality of the voice. Before you go here, you need to practice squatting. Definitely. That's why I'm gonna show you how to improve the quality of the sound in this device when shooting a video, especially in vlogging. By the way, I'm using my phone right now. Yeah, there you go. This is my secondary camera and this is my primary camera. First, we need these items. Aluminum alloy housing for GoPro Hero 5 or 6. Mic adapter for GoPro Hero 5. Cable ties. And this is the mic, Boya MM1. Can you see it? No, it's too dark. Yeah. I guess you can see it now. First, we're gonna set up the aluminum. This is for the mic. So we can mount it. We can mount the mic here in the top of the case. So I'm putting this one so we can mount it to the Gorilla pad. Yeah, there you have it. Next is, let's set up the mic. It's a dead cat, if you can see. This is like 2,000 pesos, the market. Damn. There you go. And there are two types of cable. This is for phone. And this is for the DSLR mirrorless cameras. So we're gonna use this one. Set up here. And then I'm gonna mount it. Just there you go. And next is our mic adapter. The expensive one, yeah, it costs like 3,000 I guess in the market right now. Why it's so expensive, GoPro? Why? Look at this. Why do you do this, GoPro? I mean, yes, we need to purchase the mic adapter, but why it's so big? Why? By the way, we need to remove this one. We need to remove this one so that we can input the mic adapter. Yeah. So just let's see. Let's close it. Let's put the adapter mic. So this is how it looks, the mic adapter and the mount of the mic. Yes, and let's put it the mic. Oh my. This cable, let's put in here so it doesn't mess around in the screen. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Let's do a sound check. I'm using now the GoPro, and this is the quality of the sound without the mic. It's like we're in underwater experience hearing thing, or inside the box thing. So let's put the mic on so we can compare it. Now I plug in the mic in the GoPro, and if you could see, here is what it looks like. Yeah. Again, this is the sound without the mic. It's like snorkeling in the water or something. And this is again the sound with the mic. It's more clear than without. So we are finished testing indoor. So we should try it in outdoor. So let's go. I'm now here in outside of my unit and testing my GoPro for the mic testing, and this is now have a mic. Yes, it's kind of windy. I choose this place because I know it's windy here, but it's kind of crazy windy place here, so I'm gonna test the GoPro without the mic. Now we are done indoor, outdoor testing with the mic and without the mic, and hopefully it could help you to pursue your dreams, making vlogs or videos using your GoPro. And now I have to go to work, and I'm late. Bayad. Bayad. I'm here now at work, and I'm gonna end this video because I need to start my duty. By the way, I'm not late. Bye guys. Bye. Bye sir.
Bye sir.
Bye sir. Ingat, ingat. See you next week. Take care guys. Our interns here.